Samsung has cleared the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the most powerful phone that Samsung has ever made. And the Galaxy S25 Ultra will no use for gaming and social media app, and they are come with a lot of powerful AI features. Samsung will use Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the first to use Qualcomm's. Samsung will use 3 nanometer architecture in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the first shape to be clogged possibly above 4 GHz. Samsung will use LPDDR6 RAM in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it makes the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to top-end iPhone. And South Korea media has reported that Samsung will start the mass production of their next-generation LPDDR6 RAM for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is launched on 2025. Samsung has bring the most powerful AI features in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that will enhance the phone performance. But we did not know exact performance related to LPDDR6 RAM. But one thing is sure, that Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra faster than the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. As you know, the eye performance in the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will be reasonable time. But considering the future of features that Samsung is probably working on, right? South Korean media has reported by that Samsung Galaxy S24 series break sale records of the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. According to South Korea media, Samsung SS24 series scoring 8% higher sales than the S23 series. Samsung Galaxy SS24 coming at 27% in the term of the sale. Galaxy S24 Plus coming at 21% in the term of sale, and the S24 Ultra coming at 52% in the term of sale. Samsung will bring a new main camera change on the S25 Ultra, so it's all. If you like my video, give a thumbs and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. And follow